To solve the worksheet of chapter 14, in problem 1, we have Queen's Company is selling its product for a price of $5.5 per unit. So that's the price per unit is $5.5. And the company total fixed costs are $120,000. So these are the fixed costs. And also the variable cost is a $3.25 per unit. So we have the variable cost per unit. And the company also has a target operating profit for the year 2020 for 2050, $250,000. So first we have to calculate in part A the break-even quantity. In order to calculate the break-even quantity for the company, so based on the solution, as we know, the formula states that the quantity of a break-even equal to fixed cost over the price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. So that's the formula for the break-even quantity. So it's equal to 120,000, the fixed cost, over 5.5, which is the price per unit, minus 3.25, which is the variable cost per unit. So we will get the break-even quantity, which is 53,333.3 units. In part B, we have to calculate the targeted quantity to be solved, to reach the target operating profit. So the targeted quantity to be sold to reach the target operating profit, according to the formula, the quantity target equal to the fixed cost plus the target EBIT over the price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. So then it's equal to 120,000, which is the fixed cost, plus the target EBIT, which is 250,000, over 5.5 the price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. So we will get 164,444.4 units. And in part C, he's telling us that if the company expects to sell 50 units in year 2020, by how much it should reduce its fixed costs to just break even. So we will go back to the formula that we use in part A, okay, which is the quantity of a break even. So it's equal to fixed cost over the price per unit minus the variable cost per unit. But we will put the fixed cost as X, okay, in order to reach the fixed cost that we want to make a break even, over the price per unit minus the variable cost per unit, which is equal to the quantity of a break even that it is given, 50,000 units. And we solve then for X. So X will equal to $112,500. Then the company should reduce the fixed costs by 120,000, which is the initial fixed cost that we have in the given, minus the new fixed cost, which is 112,500, which is equal to $7,500. That's for problem 1.